Okay, so a quick DXY update. First of all, an important thing that we did yesterday on the close, we closed above the 23.6 fib that we have been waiting for a long time. So now we have both signal, either euro dollar that has closed under his 23.6 fib a long time ago, and now DXY confirm we go higher. The next step should be for DXY 9450. We have this level ready since a long time too. So another detail, well, not such a detail, but another important thing is we have the 200 DMA that came straight here. So today we open above it. It's possible that we close under and come back. So I think we can do some movement inside here or inside there. That's what I prepared this morning when I wanted to do the update. So I think even yesterday, sorry. So that's I think we can do some movement like that. We can play in between the 200 DMA and this trend line that is for me the next level we have to look at. We have some important medium-term levels here waiting for us too. We see we have a double green resistance in this area. So I think we will have something in this area, probably even not so high. So I think this area will be where we will see a pullback. So I will short in this area the USD. And buy it again, of course, whenever we have a signal. That gives a lot of opportunities to bank and reload and to what we call rinse and repeat. Buy and sell, bank, reload, all the way up to the 38.2. As soon as we will break above this trend line, then we will do the same, playing in between trend lines, levels, fibs, till we get there. So it's a positive thing. We have a clear view now. It's clean and we know where we go. That's great. In the shorter term chart, we have the same thing. So this is a 5 minute. I have used the 5 minute lately. You saw I did some trade where I was adding some euro dollar. So I use my 5 minute chart setup with price X, which is the one that shows me when the price is tired, when he is exhausted. And you see here we have exhaustion, double exhaustion, stochastic confirming, and boom, we went up. And that's one of the trade I did today. I think I took another one here. And this morning earlier, I took somewhere on the 200 DMA when we had the 200 DMA. So I put this line because due to the fact that we don't have the daily close, that shows me more or less where is the 200 DMA when I look on a shorter time frame than the daily. This is a 200 daily moving average, and I just put a small line to know where I am. We can see it on the daily. We are straight here, so it's a way to see it. So here is same thing. We have some intermediary level that I spoke, I think, about in the last day. We have this one that will give a small pullback for sure. So same thing, trying to buy the pullbacks and sell the big bounce when it's possible on some level. So I have to move this one back here because that's where what we are looking at now as an area to get short on the euro dollar when we will arrive there, and we will be overbought because we see here on the weekly we are already overbought hardly. On the 4 hour, so whenever we have that kind, it's building now, but whenever we have that kind of setup, it means we will see a pullback. You see here we had a setup with overbought condition, and on the level we did pull back nicely. That was on the first pullback we took when we were at 92.40 for the first time. So it's a good thing because we know we are getting ready to be able to get a nice pullback in this area as soon as we will get them there. Probably we have some longer term levels a little bit higher. We have this one longer term level, so we can have a first pullback here, then break, go here, pull back again on the trend line, and then go up. And that's how we will be moving and playing in between all our tools.